Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Deacon aka Edikoko aka Queen of DIYs, and if you're a returning subscriber, virtual hugs to you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for always tuning back in. If you're new, definitely make sure that you're subscribed so you join the family. We have a happy DIY family ongoing on this channel, so definitely make sure that you're subscribed. I appreciate that. And before we get into the video, please thumbs up this video if you like what you're seeing. We've done a lot of carrot DIYs on this channel, and this is one that was definitely requested by a lot of you guys. You guys wanted a carrot body wash, so here am I with the carrot body wash video that I promised you guys. A lot other body washes are coming up, shower gels and face wash and all of that, so definitely make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on so you get notified whenever I post a video. And without further ado, let's get right into making this carrot body wash. So of course we are going to need our carrots. So here I just chopped up two medium-sized carrots and added it to my blender, and then added warm water, and then I'm just blending that up. So this is definitely our star ingredient in this formula, because obviously it's a carrot body wash, so you need some carrots. So yeah, I'm just blending that up into a puree, and bear in mind that the water is warm. So definitely make sure that your water is warm. So now that I am done blending our carrots, I'm then going to take this and take a bowl, put a stocking cap over my bowl, and then I'm going to strain out the juice from the carrot. So this is what will work as your supporting liquid for the body wash. So you definitely need your carrot juice. So here I'm just straining that off the puree. I'm getting all the juice out of the puree, so I could further work with that. So now we have our carrot juice. I'm then going to measure out how much I need to use. So the measurements and the ingredients listing will be in the description bar, so definitely check that out. Everything you need to know would be there as well. So yeah, I'm just adding the amount that I think I need for the amount of body wash that I'm trying to make at the moment. So now that we have our juice, I'm then going to go in with our xanthan gum. Now I'm going to take half a teaspoon of xanthan gum because I don't need a lot. Now this is optional, but I like it because this is what is going to give it that gel formula for a bath wash. So I'm just going in with vegetable glycerine into the beaker that I had added my xanthan gum, and now I'm just going to stir both of them up. Now this is to sort of open up the xanthan gum and make it easy for the xanthan gum to get into the liquid as we go on. So yeah, if I had added the xanthan gum directly into the warm carrot juice, there would have been a little bit of an issue, so I added it to the glycerine to help it mix properly when it gets into the carrot juice, so bear that in mind. So after adding my xanthan gum and glycerine mix into the carrot juice, I'm just going to stir with my spatula to make sure that everything mixes properly. This is why you need your carrot juice to be warm, because the xanthan gum and glycerine mix would work better and would help cure better and turn it into a gel form when the juice is warm. So now I'm just going in with our carrot extract that we made on this channel. I'm going to link the video somewhere on the screen and also in the description bar, so you can check that out. You can learn how to make your own carrot extract if you don't know how to make it. So yeah, I'm just adding our carrot extract into our carrot juice. So after I do that, I'm just going to stir it up, and as you can see, it is not like a loose water formula. You can see it feels and looks a little thicker, and that is because of the xanthan gum. So now this is optional, but I'm going in with our carrot seed oil, and I'm just taking the amount that I need and adding it to my carrot juice as well. And then I am going in with carrot oil. I am going to post an updated video on how to make the best carrot oil ever, and then I'm just going in with our carrot oil into the mix as well, and I'm just stirring that up properly. Now to turn this into a soap, of course, we are going to be adding our organic liquid soap, and this is just a pure liquid soap that is made with aloe vera, which is even better. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with our soap, and yeah, it's a natural soap, and I'm just going to go in with the amount that I need for this. So definitely look out for a pure organic soap if you want to make this, because you definitely need something to turn it into the soap, of course. And yeah, at this point, if you have a surfactant, that's what you go in with. But here, to just make things easy for you guys, I'm using organic liquid soap, because I'm assuming that it will be easier for everyone to find this than to look for a technical surfactant online and all of that. So hence why we are using the liquid soap. So I'm just adding the amounts that I need. Remember guys, not just any soap, organic liquid soap. We're trying to make things as natural as possible and as less irritating on the skin as possible. Not even less irritating, not irritating at all. We don't need anything irritating our skin. So yeah, this is just a very mild soap. So now I'm going in with my wicks, and this is just like a fancy wicks that I have. You can, if you have like a regular egg wicks or this as well, you can just use it to stir up your mix. And this is just to get things to mix together properly, and all the ingredients inside to just tightly hug each other, because you don't need anything separating from the other. So yeah, I'm just stirring that up. And now that I am done stirring my soap, it takes a couple of seconds or minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, to be able to stir properly. I'm just showing you guys the consistency. As you can see, it's not exactly watery, but it's a loose body wash. So yeah, I'm still stirring that up with my spatula. And you guys, please act like you're not seeing the gloves that I'm using. It's an embarrassment, but just act like you can see it. So yeah, I'm showing you guys my consistency. Now I'm just going to be transferring the soap into a storage container. You can always recycle any of your old shower gel bottles or anything that you have that just works better. You don't have to go out buying a new one. So yeah, I'm just transferring that soap into my storage container, and I was quite clumsy and everything was just pouring away. I don't know what happened to me on this day, but yeah, but you can always clean that up. You can always clean the mess up. So now we have our carrot body wash, and yeah, ready to go on your skin. This is a lightening body wash. It has a lot of potent ingredients to just help brighten the skin and just give your skin an overall glow, a very intense glow. You're definitely going to love this. You can use this on your face and body, but if you do have a sensitive skin on the face, then I would advise that you avoid using this on the face and just use it on your body. Or you can always patch test to make sure that it doesn't irritate your skin, because even if it's natural, sometimes if your skin is too sensitive, it will irritate your skin. So I'm just showing you guys the consistency and the lathering that this soap has. And here we have our soap. we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Definitely make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. I have more videos coming up for you guys, so I'm definitely sure you do not want to miss out on that. Thank you so much, and as usual, I wish you a lovely, perfect, beautiful skin, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.